Are you looking to add an extra layer of fun and excitement to your upcoming event? Our Carnival Games stall is the perfect solution. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, corporate event, or community festival, our games are sure to entertain guests of all ages. From classic games like ring toss and beanbag toss to more unique options like balloon darts and milk can toss, we have a wide variety of games to choose from. Our games are designed to be fun and engaging, and our friendly staff will be on hand to ensure that everything runs smoothly. In addition to providing the games, we also offer setup and takedown services so you can focus on enjoying the event without having to worry about the details. So why wait? Add some carnival fun to your next event with our games stall. Transform your event into a carnival extravaganza with our exciting array of carnival game stalls. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, corporate event, or community festival, our selection of vibrant and engaging games is sure to delight guests of all ages. From classic ring toss and balloon darts to quirky beanbag toss and duck pond games, we offer a variety of options to suit your theme and venue. Our professionally designed stalls are not only visually appealing but also equipped with all the necessary supplies and safety measures to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience for everyone. Let our carnival game stalls add an extra layer of fun and entertainment to your event, creating unforgettable memories for your guests to cherish for years to come. Contact us 9928686346